What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account with a foreign number. All right, so for the sake of this video I'm going to be using the Zealand phone number. All right, so it's very simple, just watch and then learn how to do that. All right, so let's now open up our Facebook application and then click on create new account and then click on get started and then let's put in our name. All right, and then surname. Okay, let's click on next and then choose year of birth and then choose the month of birth and then the day of birth and then click on next. So choose your gender, click on next. All right, now so to put in your foreign phone number, which is the Zealand phone number, what you gotta do is to go over to this site. All right, you can see the tempsms.org, so make sure you type it exactly the way it is on this site. All right, so when you get here you got to scroll down and then you got to see the phone numbers that are available, right? So you can just see any one of your choice and then click on the copy option from the phone number, and then you go back to your Facebook and then paste the phone number right there and then make sure the plus icon, which is the plus 64, is there so that it to actually direct Facebook that this is the country code that you are actually requesting for. All right, so after that you make sure you don't close the browser. Okay, then you click on the next button from Facebook. All right, so when you get to this part, the next thing you want to do is to click on this space and then input your password. All right, after inputting your password, you click on next and then click on save and then click on I agree. All right, when you get to this part, what you're going to do is to click on no, create new account. Okay, so here it's for you to add in your confirmation code, which has been sent to this phone number right here. So go back to your browser and then when you get here, just select on the phone number, which is this one, click on it. All right, when you click on it, just scroll down. All right, so you have to just scroll down and then you can see the code that have been sent to this number. So you can see there's actually a code right here. I don't know if this is for the Facebook. I don't think so. Let's refresh this page. Okay, so make sure you refresh before copying any code. Okay, so I've refreshed it. I think this is the code right here, so I'll copy the code, which is this one. Okay, and I'll paste the code right here. Let's check out the code. Okay, that's not the code. Okay, oh, they said that it was sent to WhatsApp. No, I didn't receive the code. Click on I didn't receive the code, so make sure it is sent as SMS. So send to SMS. Okay, select that and then it has been sent as SMS. So what you need to do now is to still go back to this site and then refresh the page. Okay, I think we got another new code. Let's copy this one and then check out what it is. Well, you see it's 5-digit code, so I don't think this is it. So let's resend. So just keep trying. Okay, they have resent another one, so still go back to the site. Okay, make sure you keep refreshing. We want to see a 5-digit code. Okay, I think I've seen it. So this is Facebook confirmation code. So this is it. So let's copy it. All right, so you go back to your Facebook and then you paste the code right here and then you click on next. All right guys, we have done that. You can see we have been taken to this part, so you can decide to skip. Okay, so it says welcome to Facebook, so make sure you keep watching because I would like to show you and address you things that you need to do so that you won't lose your account. Okay, so stick to this video to the very end. Okay, so click on next, click on continue. Okay, allow full access. click on done. Okay, so we've created the account. So to check if this account was created with this phone number, let's go to settings. Let's go to settings. Okay, let's get to account center. Be yeah, then let's get to profiles. Okay, okay, that's not it. Okay, let's go to okay, personal details. Okay, personal details, and then you can see right here, this is the phone number we used in creating this account. This is the Zealand phone number we used. All right, so now let me address some things that you need to do. Okay, so what you gotta do is to make sure you have a Gmail account to use in adding into this account, okay, so that you won't lose your account. So make sure you add in a Gmail to it. All right, add a Gmail and that will be all right. So this is actually a foreign account, a Zealand foreign account. Okay, you can do this without a VPN. You can actually see that I actually made this video without a VPN, and that's it. So if you have any question, drop that in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and then I'll be giving you guys more updates on things that you need to know. And that'll be all for now. Like I said, subscribe, share, comment, and peace out, guys.